Sabi ni Ma'am Jocelyn, good day sir. Naway magkaroon na din ng sections SF10 ng senior high school ang extension name just like the junior high school and God bless. Okay, hindi ako ang nag-finalize ng school form 10 sa senior high school. So, hindi ko po hawak yung design niya. In fact, when the school form 10 for the senior high school was designed, mas nauna siya compared sa elementary and junior high school. Nung nailabas na yung template, yung prototype ng senior high school ng SF10, mas nauna siya nung kaysa sa amin. Nung dinisenyo namin yung elementary and junior high school, mas nakita na namin yung deficiencies or data elements within the senior high school kaya na-prevent namin siya sa elementary and junior high school. And even the junior high school, when they finished the design of the school form 10 for junior high school, nung i-upload na sana yun, pinadaan pa sa akin. Binigay sa akin ni Sir Jonas. Sabi niya, can you revise this with? Mas nilinis natin yung design ng junior high school.